Hello everyone and welcome to the channel and welcome to this Extras episode here on Aidans Railways Extras. Now Corgi has teamed up with Coca-Cola once again and brought us some more Coca-Cola memorabilia. This time in the form of the Blackpool Brush Railcar or Single Decker Tram. Now the classic Brush Railcoach just brings back lots of memories of trips to the seaside, watching them travel up and down the Blackpool seafront. So they've always been a particular favourite of mine. Now to my knowledge, and I might be wrong, but the Blackpool Tram has never carried this particular livery, but you can always wonder what it would have looked like had it carried it travelling up and down the seafront. So let's take a look at the box. So in resplendent Coca-Cola red with the well-known trademark in the corner, we get to see an image of the model with a seaside background and palm trees. On the back there is a few paragraphs detailing the history of Coca-Cola and its history with memorabilia. So let's get this box opened. So the model appears to be held very securely within the box by transparent two-piece vacuum moulded plastic packaging. In fact, very securely. Now that is a very shiny glossy finish to the model. I'm already in love with this model. It's got a good weight to it as well. The first thing that really jumps out to me is how fine and delicate the tram's pantograph is and how well the tower below the pantograph has been cast. Just look at this, it is really nice. Taking a look at the side of this, you really get to see how well the red finish is on the model and how the white of the Coca-Cola branding just pops out, as well as being able to pick out all of the die-cast detail of handrails, doors, panel lines and bogies. The printed detail is wonderful and sharp, and in the case of this tram features the phrase, "the Coke side of life." Now across the centre area of the tram, it's almost a graffiti style of multicolour artwork bursting out from the Coca-Cola bottle lying on its side. To the front and the rear we can see more die-cast moulded detail, emphasising all of those beautiful curves that the trams have, including the head and tail lamps and painted detail. Now where the destination would normally be found, we've got the Coca-Cola trademark. Now something I almost missed initially was the separately fitted windscreen wipers, very fine indeed. Looking inside, now inside there are moulded seats throughout. If you were to choose to, you could potentially place seated passengers, however you would need to get into the model in order to do this. Now for those of you who are a little curious, yes, the model does feature metal freewheeling wheel sets that sit very comfortably on WWII track. Now I have to say, I've seen many Corgi trams converted into motorised units over the years at many exhibitions I've attended, so if this sounds like something you'd like to have a go at, why not? So in summary, this is the second Coca-Cola tram I have purchased after first purchasing the double-decker balloon example, which I simply couldn't resist. I really like this model and it goes great with my other Coca-Cola branded items such as the Hornby Christmas and summertime train sets. Better still, these trams are 1/76 scale, so don't look out of place alongside those items as well. But for the moment, this will be tram number 2 in my collection, and for the moment I will display them, and you never know, I may feel the urge to make a small layout or diorama where the trams will look right at home. So let me know in the comments if you like the Blackpool Brush Railcoach trams or trams in general, and let me know what your thoughts are of this Corgi Coca-Cola tram model. As always, there's a plethora of links in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next Extras episode. Bye now.